Hello everyone, and welcome to the Twinkle Kids TV handwriting guides. Today, we're going to be learning how to write the letter E. Practice yourself at home with a pencil and paper. Make sure you're sitting down and holding your pencil comfortably. To write the letter E in lowercase, start in the middle and draw a short horizontal line. Then, from the end of the line, draw a loop over the top all the way round to the bottom. Let's try that one more time. Now, see if you can do it by yourself. Well done! You can also write a capital letter E for starting sentences or writing a name. To write a capital letter E, start at the top and draw a straight line down. Now draw 3 short horizontal lines, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Let's try one more time. Now see if you can have a go by yourself. Great work! Check out more of our handwriting guides to learn how to write all the letters of the alphabet.